Hello everyone. So today I am going to tell you the full details of Air Arabia assessment process. I will be telling about Air Arabia Academy and what do they check in their entire assessment, including their initial stage of adapt or personal interviews, or what do they ask in physics, English, psychometry, or in the logical or the cognitive test, or in the flying skill test. I will be telling you in all this in much and more details. Hi, I'm Captain Deval Soni, a 320 commander, and have trained thousands of cadets so far. So today let's learn and let's know about Air Arabia Academy, their assessment, their eligibility criteria, about their personal interviews, about their entire assessment in details. And for those who watch this entire video, we have a special gift. We have a special file which will be shared to all of them who will watch this video till the last or the entire video. So let's understand, let's learn about the assessment of Air Arabia Cadet Pilot Program. So Air Arabia Academy, which is in Sharjah in UAE, one of the finest academy which provides or which produces a world-class and professional pilots. So they are really shaping the future of aviation. So about Air Arabia Academy, as I told you, it is in Sharjah, UAE, and in Middle East. They produce highly skilled professional pilots who meets the rigorous standards of the global aviation industry. They offer so many courses, but the course which is relevant to us is the MPL program. So MPL program is basically a combination of theoretical knowledge or theoretical exams. In this program, initially the cadets, MPL cadets, they will undergo the theoretical classes for 14 exams, 14 ATPL exams, which you have to clear those exams initially, and you will do your ground subject for initial 6 months roughly. And then you will be doing your flying on single engine aeroplane for roughly 40 to 50 hours, and then you will do your remaining training on simulator, a 320 simulator. Later on you will move to real aircraft, real 320. There you will do your line training and you will undergo a CRM training as well, which is very important. Now it is different from a CPL program. In CPL program you do your training on single engine and multi-engine aeroplane, but in MPL program you do your training some 40 to 50 hours on single engine and the rest of the training on simulators and on an actual aeroplane only. So this MPL program is like, because you are a part of an airline already, so they train you as per their airline standards, airline procedures and airline environment. In fact, in India also, the government or the DGCA is really seriously considering to introduce MPL program in India also. So in future we may have an MPL program by the airlines. So these are the other programs offered by Air Arabia Academy. So they have a very good campus and very immersive campus experience they provide in Sharjah. They have a modern classroom, they have advanced simulators, and they have a very good environment and good space over there. They have a hands-on training. You will have access to their state-of-the-art simulators, direct access to real aircrafts to gain practical knowledge. Its community is really supportive. What we know from our own cadets, that their environment, their culture is very nice. They really nurture every cadet so nicely, and they give an opportunity for everyone to grow professionally a lot. Then, as I told you, they have a modern classroom, they have a nice space, the accommodation is also wonderful, very comfortable and secure living space to support everyone. Amenities like study lounges, fitness facilities, dining area and recreational spaces, everything they have or it's a part of their campus. Admission and enrollment process, initially you have to apply. So the good part about Air Arabia is their minimum age requirement is 17 to 34. So even if you are in 12th standard or you have attained the age of 17, you can apply for Air Arabia Cadet Pilot Program, which is a very good thing, because in India to apply for Indigo or Air India, you have to be 18 to apply. But for Air Arabia Cadet Pilot Program, you can apply even if you are 17. And the good part is, even if you're in 12th standard, you can still apply for Air Arabia. And once you clear your 12th, and then you can join Air Arabia after finishing your 12th. So which is a good part, you can end up saving a lot of time also. And you can apply till the age of 34. And it is open all the time. Even if you want to apply today, you can apply for Air Arabia Cadet Pilot Program even today. So they will ask you the date, which date do you want to, undergo an assessment. They have simplified their process a lot. Then once you submit your application, then they will review it, and then you will be called for their assessment in Dubai. And that assessment will include your maths, physics, English, your reasoning, your spatial awareness, your problem solving skills, and your English proficiency evaluation also. Once you're done with this, then you will be called for a personal interview there itself. So if you are going for this assessment, please keep a bracket of 6 to 7 days. It may take a week for this entire selection process. Then on the last day, you will undergo their medical exam, and then yes, definitely after that you will get a selection email, and then you can start planning for your finances. So in the first stage, they will be checking your math skills, physics skills, English, psychometry, cognitive, and flight test. Various modules are there, and I will be giving you some few examples to show you like what kind of questions you may expect. So you may expect time, speed, distance calculations. You may expect unit conversions, ratio and percentage. You may expect like simple equations, average, proportional, reasoning, mental arithmetic under pressure, and these few things you can expect. Just to give an example, let's say a car is traveling at a speed of 40 miles per hour. How many miles will it travel in 15 minutes? So answer is very simple. The answer is 10 miles. I hope you can calculate this. Another question, like aircraft uses fuel at a rate of 3 pounds per minute. So plane uses 270 pounds of fuel during a flight from airfield A to B. How long did the flight takes? So 3 pounds per minute to 270 pounds of fuel. So 270 divided by 3 is 90 minutes, which is approximately 1.5 hours. Another example is, let's say an engine uses 5 pounds of fuel per minute. So how long it will take to use 450 pounds? Very simple, 450 divided by 50. I hope you can calculate this. I mean, you can learn this. This is not something very difficult. Let's say you're taking a left turn from 090 to 225. How many degrees did he rotate? Then Sarah start facing east. Then spin 270 degree to the right. And which direction does she face now? Please comment below. What do you think? What is the right answers of all these 4 questions? So questions is, you're consuming 3 pounds per minute. It uses 270 pounds. So how long will be the flight? Please comment below. What is your answers? Now, after you are done with your maths, based on your how many answers you gave as a correct or incorrect. So based on that, your marks will be calculated. Like in this case, all these questions were answers correct. So you got 100%. How much time you took to solve those questions are also very, very important. So this is how your assessment of maths will be recorded. Then physics concepts. So they will cover basic mechanics, force, acceleration, momentum, pressure, density, Bernoullis, lift, drag, thrust, weight relationship, energy and work, gas loss and temperature effect, basic electricity. Questions. So I'll give you the examples also, but they are not limited to these topics only. They have updated their questions also. So they can really go beyond these topics as well. But they are very basics. Like for example, what is the name of the electromagnetic wave used for medicals? Okay, just write your answer, just comment below. This is a magnet. So let's say this blue is south and this red is north. Okay, this is how it is. So you have to, give answers. So this is blue, red, red, blue. So please comment below what is the answer. However, the answer is given here, but you still please look at the image and comment below what is your answer. So some more example of physics questions, like what force is required to accelerate a 25 kg object at 5 meters per second square, and 2 springs with constant 10 newtons per and 15 newtons weight is suspended. What is the total extension? A ball is thrown vertically upward at 25 meters per second from the ground. How long until it returns? So I want you to calculate these answers and comment below. And even if you don't need the answers, it's okay. I know many of you may be from a commerce background, but that's absolutely fine. even if you have the basic knowledge, or even if you need our help, we will be able to make you learn like how to calculate this. So you don't need to worry much about this. So this is how, based on your like how many correct, how many incorrect, you will get your marks, and your assessment of your physics will be recorded. So very important, how much time you took, what is your accuracy, how much questions you have attempted, how much wrong, incorrect answers were there, all this will be recorded.